So today we're going to go over the steps you need to know to perform cross multiplication. I hope you've had a chance to check out my other video on this topic, and you should know by now that cross multiplication is one of my favorite things in math. It's one of my favorite things just because it makes comparing fractions and finding equivalent fractions really simple. The steps for cross multiplying are easy. You simply multiply the numerator of one fraction times the denominator of the second fraction. When finding the product of the numerator and denominator, be sure you put your result next to the numerator that you are multiplying by. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 examples that involve cross multiplication. 2 of the questions I'll have you solve for x to make the fractions equivalent. And 2 of the problems I'll have you evaluate if the fractions are equivalent by using cross multiplication. Take a second, work these out on your own, pause the video, and then unpause it when you're done. That way you can check your answers. Let's jump in. Example 1. 3 over 5 is equal to 15 over x. Solve for x. We can start by looking at 15 times 5, and that equals 75. We have a numerator that needs to be multiplied by some number to equal 75 in order to make these fractions equivalent. 3 goes into 75 a total of 25 times, so therefore x equals 25. Example 2. Solve for x. 2/3 is equivalent to x over 60. We can start by multiplying 2 times 60 and we get 120. We can divide 120 by 3 and we get x to be equal to 40. Example 3. Are these fractions equivalent? Is 4/5 equal to 15 over 20? First step is to multiply 4 times 20, which is equal to 80. Next, we multiply 5 times 15, which is 75. Because the 2 products are different, these fractions are not equivalent. Last example. Are 6 over 18 and 2 over 6 equivalent fractions? First, we take 6 times 6 and we get 36. Then we take 18 times 2 and we also get 36. These 2 fractions are indeed equivalent. So that one was quick and easy. Let me know how you did in the comments below. For more tips and tutorials on all things math, be sure to subscribe to my channel. For free printable worksheets and answers, check out my website at improvemath.com. Thank you so much for watching.